If you are using SAP EWM and assemble kits manually without a defined process, you are likely creating avoidable complexity in your outbound operations. Kit to order without fuss is a lean, efficient approach that eliminates the needs for value-added service orders, reducing handling time and streamlining delivery. Hi, my name is Hamza and I work as a SAP EWM consultant at McCoy & Partners. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at the kit to order without fuss process, a lean and efficient way to perform kits on demand during the outbound process. I will walk you through how this process works in SAP EWM and show you step-by-step process flow so you can clearly see what actions are taken from sales order creation to load the components in the truck. Let's take a look at the process flow. The example which one will be used is a laptop with a wireless mouse. It all begins with a sales order, where the kit product is requested by the customer. Based on this, the system creates an outbound delivery, which triggers the warehouse process. Next, warehouse tasks are generated to pick the individual components needed for the kit. These components are picked from the storage bins and moved to the work center. At the work center, kitting step is performed. The components are assembled into final kit, all without involving a fuss order. Once the kit is complete, it moves to the staging area, where it's prepared for shipping. The kit is loaded into the truck. And finally, we post the goods issue, where the kit officially leaves the warehouse and the delivery is posted in the system. Curious how this process is performed in SAP EWM? Let's take a look in our demo system. First, we check the components of the sales order, which is already created. As you can see, there are items which will be proceed. So we select the sales order and click Create Deliveries. After creating the delivery, we generate warehouse tasks for the kit components. When the tasks are created, we open RF to pick the components by warehouse order. We select manual selection and copy-paste the warehouse order. We're creating handling unit to pick the components, and we are scanning the components one by one. After picking, the products moved to the work center. We type in the work center, where the components moved, and we copy-paste the handling unit. In the work center, we assemble the components in the kit and mark them as complete. The components can now move from work center to staging area. We are doing this by RF. We select manual selection, selection by warehouse order. We scan the source handling unit, and the products are staged. After this step, we're performing loading by delivery number. Copy-pasting the handling unit and scanning the door. The final step is posting the goods issue of the delivery. So we select the delivery and press the button Goods Issue. So that is how kit to order without fuss looks in SAP EWM. You don't need any complex fuss setup to make kit to order work in SAP EWM. With the right product structure and a clear outbound flow, you can assemble kits on the fly. Thank you for watching the video. Are you interested in more SAP EWM topics? Check also the video of Wacht and my other colleagues at our YouTube channel.